Well, I did it. Just sitting there one day and I was like, you know what? Let's just do it. What's a couple grand? So I'll get to unboxing here in a second. But I decided to go with the OEM controls. You can get either their separate valves, which are controlled, through a switch, or you can opt for a wireless remote. Or I found out you can actually get them to program in your OE valves, or not program in, install your OE valves, so you can control it using, in my case, my comfort and sport mode and all that good stuff. So I went ahead and did that. So it was a few $100. It was on sale too, so like I said, all in all, came out to just under $2,000. So let's see what we got in this box. This is just the axle back. I did not get the full catback exhaust, because that was another $1,400 that I did not quite feel like spending. Not yet. Maybe next year. But unbox this, and then one of these days, figure out if I want to DIY it or take it to a shop. In theory, it should be pretty simple, or it is. You take a Sawzall, you cut behind or in front, I guess in front of the, what the heck is the muffler, I think, or the resonator in the back. When it's up on a lift, I'll show you guys. The rear resonator, not the OPF guy. I think that's what it is anyways, towards the middle. The rear one, you cut just in front of that, behind that, depending on how you're looking at it. And then this just snaps into place, clamps. But yeah, let's get this sucker open. Definitely packaged well. Got some giant styrofoam peanuts. It's gonna scare the crap out of my dog. Oh, nope. Usually afraid of everything, but I guess not that one. There it goes. I guess after two of them hit you, you kind of move out of the way. Here it is. Where's my other dog? There she is. I don't know. Somehow she's more scaredy cat than this guy. Right, Mateo? Anyways, let's get back. My dog might be just excited he hasn't left. The other one doesn't care, apparently. Anyways, got everything out of the box. Still haven't unwrapped it, but this is everything that came. So in this box, we got the tips. These are some big-ass tips. I don't know what I was expecting, but Jesus. Some nice-ass big-ass tips. And this is, I forget what the heck they call them. One's like an optional AR pipe or SR pipe or whatever. But anyways, one of those, this is whatever the one that's included. Like I said, it gets rid of that rear resonator guy and plugs in right there. And then this is obviously the big muffler boy. Replaces a muffler, obviously. Man, these welds are pretty nice. Get these open, and then these are valve motor extension harnesses. And came with that, so let's open that up real quick, figure out what the heck that is. Got a card, and apparently some cologne from W Dress from New York. See if it smells any good. We'll see what the card says. Well, no nice words, just a couple stickers. But anyways, let's get to unwrapping the good stuff and see what this is. Just debating on how much I want to unwrap it. I don't want to get to cut scratch or anything, because I don't know when I'm going to have time to figure out who or what or where to install it. But whatever. Well, oh, okay, come on. Whatever. That took forever to unwrap. So much bubble wrap, which, is definitely good. But holy cow. There she is. There's a beauty. Meisterschaft. So like I said, here is the OEM flapper room. Plugs into there. Pretty straightforward. I'm not sure what the harness guy is for, but we'll figure that out when it goes time to install. Valve motor extension harness. Maybe it doesn't reach back there or something. I don't know. We'll figure that part out when we get there. But yeah, welds are pretty. Definitely worth the money. I don't know a whole lot about welds, but pretty nice as far as I can tell. Get this out of the shadows there. I don't know what's going on there. It's hard to see in the camera. Interesting things going on there, but whatever. It looks fine. It's the first clamp. That clamps. Try again. That clamps up. Jesus. Clamps to that guy. And that complaint. I'm never saying the word clamp again. Clamps right up to your, the rest of your factory exhaust. I'm trying to drop this thing. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. Well, we'll be back when, whenever I'm about to install it. Well, looks like today's the day. Hopefully get this installed, this bad boy installed, as long as works relatively slow. I have lift available, but today is the day. Goodbye stock exhaust. If we get an exhaust clip, we'll get an exhaust clip. The video's gonna be all messed up. I don't know how I'm gonna include everything in here. I might end up doing 2 separate videos. But basically, you know, my dog's killing each other. They sent me the wrong exhaust. So as you can see, I'm currently exhaustless. I made the cut somewhere down there. You can't see. But anyways, made the cut where I was supposed to. Go to put everything on and realized sent me the wrong exhaust. Called them up. You know, basically told them nothing was fitting, working, yada yada. They go, yep, sent me the wrong exhaust. So they're gonna ship everything over as quickly as possible to make it, you know, they're gonna send me the proper exhaust, I should say, first of all, but that's gonna take a hot minute. At least that's what they said, probably about a week. And they're gonna overnight me an adapter to make the exhaust that they did send me work. The exhaust they sent me apparently was for a 435i and not a 440. So, you know, I'm definitely a little bit upset, a little annoyed, you know. I did everything on my end possible to make sure it was a 440, and that's what I was ordering. Subject lines, what I called, confirmed, the whole 9 yards. So, I personally don't feel responsible. So that's good. Still a little bit annoyed, but it is what it is. Like I said, been talking to Mike over there, and they're gonna, like I said, overnight an adapter to make the current exhaust work, and then hopefully I'll have the proper exhaust next week. So for now, I'll be riding around with this basically straight pipe, minus the tips. Looks kind of jank, but you know, for a week, and yeah, not for a week. Hopefully a couple days. So hopefully overnight means like the parts get here tomorrow, so I can fix it tomorrow. But we'll see. We'll see.